Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Alibaba just released another exciting model, which is the Wan2.2 Animate, and this is completely free and open source. So here you see that this is the HuggingFace repository, and this is only 14 billion parameter model. Let me show you one of the example. Here you see that I have taken this image from Google. This is the image that I have taken, and I have taken this video as a reference from this pixel. You know that in Pixel every videos are copyright free, so I have taken this. And if I just play this video, here you see that this is the video. So a person is doing this kind of dancing, and what happens that when I gave this video and this image as a reference, and after that here you see that this is the output that I got. So if I now play the output, you will get amazed. Here you see. So the image got converted to video, and it is taking the uploaded video as a reference, and whatever this person is doing in this video, this image is also doing the same thing inside this video. Okay, so this is amazing, right? And in this way, here you see that there are another example. So here below the video, here this person is talking about something, and here you see that upper there is a image, and if I play the ultimate output,
We're thinking, well, let's just give up. Why don't we just let?
So here you see that the image is actually talking, and it is behaving like the person inside the original image. So this is the thing that they have implemented, and its name is Wan2.2 Animate. And let me show you some of the exciting feature. Here you see effective MOE architecture, effective mixture of expert. Wan2.2 introduces a mixture of experts architecture into video diffusion model by separating the denoising process cross timestamps with the specialized powerful expert models. This enlarges the overall model capacity while maintaining the same computational cost. Okay, and this is completely available for free to use in the HuggingFace space. So the space link is given in description, and here you see cinematic level aesthetics. Wan2.2 incorporates meticulously curated aesthetic data and complete with detailed level of lighting, composition, contrast, color tone, and more. This allows for more precise and controllable cinematic style generation and facilitating the creation of videos with customizable aesthetic preferences. Now, if I show you another example, then you will understand. So here you see that this is their official post, like character animation, character replacement. You can do any of these things. So suppose you have created one video with one person, and you want to replace your face in that video, and in that case what you can do that you can upload your image in this section, and you can upload the original video here and just click on this generate video, and it will do that. Okay, and this is amazing, right? So let me show you another interesting thing, and where is that? So here you see that this one here on the left hand upper corner, one person is changing his head and all of that hands, and here you see that here another person, means a cartoon, is doing the same thing like the person in the original image. So this is actually good, right? This is very cool, man. This is very cool. Means you can actually replace a character in the original video from the image also. Okay, so you can try this, and how to try it. So if you go to this HuggingFace repository, there below I have given this spaces link. Here you see that Wan2.2 Animate. So if you open this, and then you will find this kind of page. Let me show you. Here is this kind of page, and here you can upload the reference image in this section, upload the template video in this section, and the output things you will get here in this section. And here you see that this is a generate video. So after uploading the image and video, click on this generate video and keep this model as this Wan2.Animate move, and the inference quality 1 Pro. You can try this 1 STD also, but I'll recommend you to select this 1 Pro only. Okay, So I hope that this video will be helpful for you guys, and please try it on your own. And I have created this things and these things on my own. So please like this video also. Please share your experience in the comment section, and please tell me in the comment that how was this generation from my end. Okay, it was actually 100% same as the original video, but the face got changed. Okay. So if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And here you see that I have already published many videos regarding this on our channel. So please watch that videos also. So bye bye, take care, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.